confidence is an interesting topic because everybody defines it differently, everybody expresses it differently, and factors that help us define it or embody confidence change over time. And I have realized, as I have a 10-year-old son, that his confidence starts getting, when he was pretty young, he had lots of confidence in everything. Like, you would think he was a superhero or daredevil kind of thing. And it got me thinking, even just watching him right now at 10 years old, he is confident in a lot of things. And some things that he was confident in, he's starting to kind of question his confidence. So that got me thinking about why, as the older we get, our confidence can start to get shaky. You know, like that expression, faith of a child? Why can't we just get back to that confidence we had when we were babies or when we were kids? Not babies, because, who remembers what confidence they had as a baby? But you can just picture it. As you watch babies and the antics they get up to and things that they do, what kind of confidence they have. So, why is it that the older we get, our confidence starts to get shaky in certain things? Is it because we're thinking more of consequences, the balance of good and evil, so to speak, what other people will say or think, failure, fear of failure, fear of success? Why does our confidence become shaky the older we get? Now, I'm not saying that everybody starts to lose confidence when they get older, but for the majority of us, our confidence starts to get shaky. And it's in different areas. Like, it could be self-image. I guess that is a big one, because I'm always seeing about all these commercials and products about losing weight, getting back into shape, join this gym, so on and so forth, or how to hide our shape or make our shape look better. As women, a lot of our confidence seems to be tied into how we look. And how did that start? When did that start? When we were babies, when we were kids, young kids, you didn't care how we looked. We didn't care where our clothes came from. We didn't care how others saw us, because, hey, we were just having fun as kids. We were just, as long as we were dressed, as long as our parents dressed us, made sure that we were clothed, hey, we had fun. I'm sure there were some of us who went out with just a diaper or just going out to play in the water. Hey, it happens. And as a mom of a son, yeah, he loved when he could just go out and play no matter how he was dressed. And I noticed when he was young, I was the one who was more stressed out about matching his outfit, making sure his top and his bottom complemented each other. I got to the point where this was just too much. It was like he didn't care. He just wanted to be free to do what he wanted to do. And so, why do we start to lose that? Why do we, as we get older, why does our faith in ourselves, our faith in who God made us to be, start to shake? That's just an interesting thing that just came to me. We were frisbee golfing, and I was just watching my son, and he's learning how to frisbee golf, and just kind of watching how he enjoys. He's learning, but he's happy. He's having fun. He's not getting upset because his discs are going into the bush or going this way or that way. He's having fun. He's confident. Why can't we get that back? I would say maybe we just need to start thinking back or shifting our mindset to be that of a child. Not to act childlike, of course, but to be confident with who we are, where we are, no matter what we look like, what we're doing, and just be comfortable in our own skin. Anyway, that was just a thought that came to me. And yeah, so something for you to think about. I hope this kind of gets you thinking about maybe just even trying to trace back to where your confidence started to get shaky, where it started to fall off, where it started to change. And maybe even think about what caused it. Not that we need to dwell on what caused our confidence to spiral downwards or to be shaky, but at least try to understand the root cause of it and see if we can change that or kind of speak truth to ourselves and positive truths, uplifting truth. Well, ladies, bye for now, and I will talk to you later. Bye.